Need cash but don't want to pay ATM fees? If you're not sure where to find fee-free ATMs, you're not alone. Today, we're locating Chase ATMs and fee-free options quickly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Chase has thousands of ATMs nationwide, and their mobile app makes it easy to find the closest ones. The easiest method: use the Chase mobile app. Open the Chase app and tap ATM and Branches from the main menu. The app will use your location to show nearby Chase ATMs on a map, along with hours and services available. What's fee-free? Chase ATMs for Chase customers. As a Chase customer, you can use any Chase-branded ATM without paying fees. Some non-Chase ATMs and networks like MoneyPass may also be fee-free, which the app will indicate. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: get cash back at retailers to avoid ATMs entirely. Many grocery stores, drugstores, and big box retailers offer cash back with debit card purchases. This lets you get cash without finding an ATM or paying fees, and you're shopping anyway. So, just like that, you can access your cash without unnecessary fees. Knowing where to find fee-free ATMs goes a long way in saving money on banking. Now I'm curious, do you typically use Chase ATMs, get cash back at stores, or rarely use cash at all? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.